First, open the Instagram app on your phone. There isn't a direct option to hide chats on Instagram without deleting them, but there are a few tricks you can try. At the top right corner, tap the message icon to open your direct messages. Next, select the chat you'd like to hide. At the top of the chat, tap the person's profile name. From the menu, tap the three dots. In the pop-up menu, choose Restrict, then tap Restrict again to confirm. This will remove that profile from your main chat section. Alternatively, you can use a professional account to manage this. To check whether you have a professional account, go back to your homepage. At the bottom right corner, tap your profile icon. If you see the professional dashboard under your profile name, that means your account is professional. Now, go back to the homepage again and tap the message icon at the top right. Swipe right on the chat you want to hide. You'll see three options: More, General, and Unread. Tap General to move that chat to the General section. You won't receive notifications from that chat anymore. And that's it.